So today we're going to do a little bit of body work. So this is going to be my mixing tray. Why not, right? A little sharp, but whatever, it'll work. So we're using Featherlight because I've got it all sanded down nice and flat, but there's still a few little ripples I can feel with my fingers. So we're gonna fill it in. And this will be our last step before sanding it down last time and putting some gel coat on. So I'm gonna get some good globs in here. Woo. Looks like quite a bit. And then do this by 2%. I don't know how the heck to judge that, but we're gonna say that's our hardener. We'll see once it starts mixing up here. Maybe we should use something a little smaller first, just to get this stuff going. Never mind. I'm just gonna keep mixing this till it turns an even color. Blue, fancy. Good stuff. So we're gonna mix this stuff up till it's even. Then we're gonna go to the boat. Okay, we got our stuff mixed up. Now, when I did this, I did it with a flapper disc, so it created wobbles. So I went over with some, what is that stuff? Like micro powder fiberglass mixed with resin and put it on first, so it's rock hard. And then I sanded that down the best I could, and now there's just slight little dips. And I don't want to see that when I put the gel coat on. So we're gonna fill it a little bit here. And this stuff's gonna sand nice. I didn't want to do that micro stuff again because resin is extremely hard to sand. And this is not. This will come off real smooth, real easy, quick sanding, done and over with, you know? So we're just gonna spread it out super thin, just to fill those little imperfections I got going on, you know? Ooh, this stuff does set up fast. It's already getting sticky and tacky. Oh my goodness, that was quick. Probably going a little heavy with this, but like I said, sanding it all off anyway, pretty much. And this stuff will sand so quick compared to resin. That's like doing the body work on your car. Some dirt bikers. That's one thing I love about this neighborhood. Everyone rides quads around and dirt bikes. Awesome neighborhood I got going on here. I should probably have some gloves on. I didn't think about that one, but that's okay. Just like so. Just smear it on nice. We're going to shape all this when we sand it. I don't know. You just want to make sure everything's nice and smooth. This angled stuff, I'll sand by hand. No machine needed for that. Because then you start digging hard and taking off too much material. So that's like the top done, right? Now, when we sand that, it's going to be glassy. Glassy, glassy, smooth. There were so many low points, I just didn't want to try and mark every spot. Just cover the whole thing. And the smoother you get this stuff now, less sanding you're going to have, right? All right, let's move on to the bigger piece here. Move my junk. In here, there is tons of low spots, right in this area. I'm no body man, but this stuff is not rocket science. Fill it in, make it smooth, sand it down nice so it's glassy. I like this stuff that's blue. It's going to make it real easy to see your highs and your lows. Haven't used this product before, but what I hear, it's good stuff. I'm gonna go get my big scraper. Back in a minute. Yeah. Well, the big one's a little hard to use. We'll do that for the final stretch. Man, this stuff really does set up so fast. It's like tacky already, you know? It's crazy. It's crazy that it tacks up that quickly. this stuff. Just like so. They're getting there. Go slow here. Take your time. Make it smooth. My kicker mount in the way. Stay there then. There we go. Repeat around the other side. Woo! Stuff is fumey. Continue on. I wanted to show you something real quick. Okay, sanding it all down. You see these white bits? That's a good indication that these are low spots. So you want to sand till you get those out. You know? You want it to be more like this. No divots. These are just low spots that are still stay filled in. That's what we wanted to do. Keep going. And that's pretty much done. Nice and smooth. Feels good all the way down. Sanded now. Feels good. I don't feel no dips no more. Pretty much ready for gel coat. Awesome.